Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look right here. It is inspired by the makeup artist Mitchell. I think that's how you say his name. I discovered Mitchell through Jeffree Star's Instagram. He does Jeffree Star's makeup like all the time when they travel. And so when I saw this look on his page, I fell in love. And I don't know what's going on with that right there. Yeah, I used some cheap eyelashes, so that's probably what it is. But anyways, so when I saw this look on his Instagram, I fell in love and I had to try and recreate it. And I'm not using exactly what he used. I'm using what I got. So I'm not a professional, but I did my best. And also I'm going to skip past the foundation part. If you want to see how I do my foundation and contour, then I do have a video of that on my channel. I will try to link it up here somewhere, wherever that little thing is. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. And please remember that I am not a professional. I didn't go to school for this. This is just me doing this. Anyways, alright, bye.